very premium violin, and from my childhood I have never heard about, I have not heard, it's not that I have not heard, but then I've never seen this kind of a beauty. So probably you have seen my birthday vlog, and in the birthday vlog there was a scene where my sister and I were playing piano. Yes, you guessed it right.
Violin.
Today we are violin. Oh shit! Sorry. It's not a piano. Not at all. It's a. Actually, it is not mine. It is hers. She's so kind to give me her violin for my videos. So you can get this violin in around 5,500. So yeah, and you need a lot of practice to have it. This is a very premium violin, and from my childhood I have never heard about, I have not heard, it's not that I have not heard, but then I've never seen this kind of a beauty into my real life, man. This is such a great thing. Like, look at it, man. What a thing, man. Such a man. And also there is one more thing I'll show you. Most of the people who play musics and who are into musical instrument, you already know what I'm going to tell. So जिनको नहीं पता, I'm talking to them in this short. Now this thing, this is, इसको पता नहीं what people say, but then this is for this, ये जो आपको stick दिख रही है, this is for polishing or rubbing this, जिससे कि this becomes, this thing becomes really smooth and आपको सुनाई देता है what are you, like सुनाई नहीं, where the voice is smooth. I'll just show you how this particular thing works. It is the key. मतलब without this you cannot play the violin. And I know many of the musicians know this. इनको नहीं पता, तो उनके लिए एक छोटा सा knowledge. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how this thing works. So ये जो stick है, this thing, इससे आप इसको हल्के से ऐसे एकदम हल्के से इसको ऐसे, ना जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि भाई दबा रहा है, नो ये एकदम हल्का है, और इसको ऐसे हम पॉलिश करेंगे. सो व्हेन दिस इज लाइक अ पाउडर, मतलब इसको अगर मैं फेंक दूंगा तो ये पूरा टूट जाएगा इनटू पीसेस. सो इसको ऐसे बंद करके भैया साइड में. ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग, वी होल्ड दिस होल स्टिक विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस, यानी कि इस टिप से यू कैन प्ले द शिट का उसको वायलिन. सो और एक चीज जो मुझे मेरी सिस्टर ने बताया कि दिस वे
No.
तो
ऐसा.
अच्छा, ओके.
Proper.
सो इस वायलिन को जो है, वी होल्ड इट दिस वे. नाउ करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, बिकॉज मुझे तो कोई आइडिया नहीं हाउ टू प्ले दिस थिंग्स. आई एम रियली बैड एट म्यूजिक, स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्लेइंग म्यूजिक. सो वी होल्ड इट लाइक दिस. इसका जो ये पार्ट है, इट इज ऑलरेडी सेटेड. सो
Slow.
So I am already running out of time, and all the people out there are waiting for me, like since for 10 minutes. No, this is the thing I love about the Mac, that right now there are this many files running on, but then things like it is still working butter perfect. Because, and also this is a 2013 model, by the way. This is the speciality of this machine. Amazing machine. So right now it feels like it's like morning 5:45 or 6, but then you can see the weather. It's 5:10. It's literally 5:10 and it feels like it's morning 6 or something. Morning 6 भी इतना bright नहीं, इससे ज़्यादा bright होता है. So prior that, my God, great weather. Right now it's 5:30 and it's raining like crazy over here. I cannot go outside though I'm vlogging in the house. So बारिश जो है finally थोड़ी सी कम हो गई and now I'm going out for getting some stuff. So yeah, I'll meet you down. So this is the weather and now it has stopped raining finally and I'm going with my cycle. It's over there. So yeah, this is the great weather when it's rained and done with raining. Great weather for cycling. Great. Short break because last 5 days I posted regular 5 videos, so I think I need a chota mota break because I also want to focus on my studies now. So क्या हो यार, देखो जरा स्टार्टिंग हुआ क्या वीडियो का?
कब का हो गया?